Oh. Yeah. Where are we going, Millie?
Go to see one.
Yeah? Where are we going in general in a week?
Huh?
Where are we going next week?
Next week, go to Laos.
Yeah.
Hopefully, he will finish welcome.
Yeah, we're going to go to Laos, but the car's not in a very good state, so we're just off to help Bon.
Try to convince
to try
Tom
and fix it.
go by the boat instead.
No, we'll take the truck. The truck will be good. The truck will be good. So we're just heading to Bon's to help him with the car. I'll show you some of the problems when we get there.
Hopefully not much.
Hopefully not much, yeah. There we've gone out. Come on, let's have a look at the pickup a sec. Don't know where Bon's at. His truck's here. Oh no, look. Oh dear.
Oh!
I know. So he's taking the head off. We've got problems with stuck valves.
The brain, not the head, the brain.
The brain? Oh, it's maybe him now.
Deal.
Yeah. Here they are. Hey! How are you doing? You good? Good to see you again.
นี่ออกวาล์วมีปัญหาจริงวาล์วมีปัญหาสูบหนึ่งฉันก็จะทำหมดอันนี้คือนี่ตัวอย่างอันนี้ของคันนู้นของคุณทำอยู่
This one is not yours.
No.
Yeah.
This
In process.
คำนี้ใหม่ไงคำวาล์ว
Yours is in process.
Yeah. So we do the other one first, and then do my one.
แล้วก็เช็งเดอซีนนี่ซีน
Yeah.
ซีนวาล์วข้างในนี่
It's about time to fill you in on how we got to this point. Over the past few weeks, the Datsun had been feeling slightly down on power and occasionally got a little too hot. So before we headed to Laos, I took it to Bon's for a checkup. After a thorough check, unfortunately, we came to the conclusion that it needed a full head rebuild. This was a problem, as in a few days my Thai visa would expire, and so I would need to leave the country. If I wanted to take the Datsun with me, that meant only 3 days to take the head off, rebuild it and put it back on. Thankfully, Bon and Diao were up for a challenge.
Right, up in the air. Oh, look at her.
I didn't notice at first, so I'll pause the video a few seconds to see if you can see what important suspension component is missing. There's no front roll bar. This helps keep the truck level whilst going around corners. I had no idea why my truck didn't have one, but I was about to find out.
Have they cut it off?
Yeah.
Why does it not have? Have they just cut it off? Or
I'm not sure. That one have.
that one has?
Yeah. Yeah. That one have.
But just not this one. See, this side has it. That's what we want. But it's been cut off on the other side for some reason. Yeah, so no roll bar for now, so I think we'll sort that out when we get back. Just have to run it without one.
I got to work helping Diao to remove the upper arms so we could service them.
Okay.
Not good. Bad. Oh. Yeah. Not good.
Unfortunately, they were both worn beyond repair.
Lots of movement.
Thankfully, Bon had some second-hand ones that would do the job. So we fitted them. It is then time to replace the bushes that connect to the hub.
Tommy.
But surprise, surprise, on the passenger side, these two were worn beyond repair. So that meant a new hub and a new lower arm. This arm was the one with the missing roll bar mount. So at least by replacing this, I could now fit a roll bar to the front of the car. You may have noticed that this pickup doesn't appear to have any front springs fitted. This is because the Datsun 620 uses torsion bar suspension. So whereas a coil spring will compress under load and uncoil to rebound, the torsion bar will twist under load before returning to its neutral position. One of the cool things about this type of suspension is that it's extremely durable. The ones on my 1976 truck will most likely be the original ones that are fitted to the car. The ride height can also be easily changed by re-indexing the chassis mounts. However, although they do offer a smooth ride, they are not progressive like conventional springs, so they do cause excessive body roll. Something I would have felt even more with my missing roll bar. Connected to the lower arm, it made removing the lower arm a bit more difficult.
Just letting some WD-40 soak in the torsion bars. So I've got lights set up, a little Thai whiskey there, and I've just put Bond's helped me put an expansion bottle in the radiator, solid. I've just been tightening the, well, you can't see that, the bumper, no more rattle.
Despite all the issues, I was really enjoying working on the truck. I'm used to the UK, where it just gets too cold on the evenings. In Thailand, I felt spoiled, and it felt good to be finally getting on top of the truck's problems. Before we finished for the night, in order to stay on track, we needed to remove the lower arm. The old lower arm did not want to come out easily, so after a few hours of trying in vain, it was time to break out the grinder. I left Bon and Dee out around midnight. Hopefully the next day will bring less issues.
Borrowed the house truck.